Hey guys, there are at least 3 reasons why everything you know about college admissions is wrong. Number 1, your sources. When you guys write a tiny little paper that's worth like 10 points on a homework grade, you still need MLA citations, you gotta put it into turnitin.com, or you lose points. But for your college admissions, your whole future, who are you listening to? Your upperclassmen, your friends? Who are they getting their info from? Their upperclassmen? Their friends? How is that going to be reliable info, guys? People say you can't take the SAT more than 3 times. The colleges don't like that. Have you ever actually asked an officer? They will say, no, we recommend you don't take it more than 3 times because your score will not go up after 3 times. And it's also, you could use that time to do other things. That's the actual nuanced answer. But when you hear from somebody who heard it from somebody who heard it from somebody, you lose all of the nuance. Number 2, this is going to sound harsh, but losers don't brag. You guys might go, oh, I go in College Confidential. I did all my research, okay? College Confidential, what do? I did all this stuff, I got in, yay, look at me. That's what they do. You know what the guys do who did all that and didn't get in? They don't say anything, okay? So you're only hearing about the stuff that worked. So you hear about one guy who did this, got in. What about the 10 other guys who did that and didn't get it? Number 3 is that common sense is common. Good isn't good enough. Let's say my points 1 and 2 are somehow wrong, okay? And that you are getting good info. Where are you getting that from? The internet, right? So everybody else knows that common sense. Okay, it's common. Everybody knows that. Then, good isn't good enough. Why? In school, you meet all the criteria, you get an A. Hooray. For college admissions, if you do all the stuff, does that mean you get in? No, you have to be better than the other dude. How are you going to get in if you all do the same thing? You can't. That's why everything you know about college admissions is wrong, guys. Let's do this the right way. Let's do this the exact way. Let's do it the Sexy J way.